everyone, I'm Michelle Woerner, Concept Designer with Fun Stamper's Journey. I want to welcome you to today's product spotlight video where I'm going to show you how to put together our mini pillow box die. So the die is one piece and it looks like this. When you cut it out, you're going to see 2 straight scored lines and 4 curved scored lines. So you're going to start out by folding the straight lines first, and of course we like to use our crease tool to get nice crisp flat folds. Alright, so folding curved scored lines can be a little tricky. So the best way I have found to do this is I just put my finger behind the scored line in the center and I just gently press. Okay, we're not folding at this point, we're just pressing. Then you're going to move your way up to the corner, again with your finger, and you're just going to pinch. And then move along to the other side and do the same thing. Just a light pinch. So we've got press, pinch, pinch. Okay, the side with the notches is a little trickier up at the end. For some reason, having this little bit notched out can make it a little tricky, and it wants to bend in the wrong spot. So just go a little slow and you'll get it. So press, pinch, pinch. All right, so we've just got a basic shape here. So now let's add some adhesive to your adhesive tab. I like to use score tape, but really for this you could actually use your tape runner, or of course you can always use our craft glue. Make sure you get the adhesive all the way to the ends because you don't want it to gap right up here at the top. So I actually like to use this little piece. Just take this away, and then I like to just do that. Make sure you get it nice and straight. All right, I'm going to fold this in, and now you can kind of open it like this and slide in with your crease tool to get a nice tight adhesion with those paper fibers. All right, so now we're going to fold it and put it together, and you're going to want to press in on the side with the notch first. Okay, and then press over, going in at the notch, and press it over. Now your finished box is going to measure 3 inches by 2 inches, and at the deepest peak you're at about a little over ½ an inch. Okay, and the reason why we put the notch side in first is when the recipient opens it, they're going to flip that up, and then this is kind of like a little tab that it makes it easy to reach in and open it. Very cute, very versatile, and let me show you a few samples. So here's an idea. What I did for this one is you're going to open it up, and then before you adhere the side together, you're just going to cut along that scored line, and then this can actually be displayed open. So the bottom is like that, and then you can insert any type of candy or anything you want. So this is cute for a little Cinco de Mayo table. And if you're having a baby shower, how cute are these little party favors? This would be fun for little giveaways for each of the attendees. So cute. And last but not least, I have one here, and this is just some simple stamping on the cardstock and just a little thank you tag. So it's perfect for a little quick thank you gift. So I hope I've inspired you to use the mini pillow box die. Thank you very much for watching, and now it's your turn to bring paper to life.